Sammy, y'all. It's your boy Dominoes 7 here. I'd like to welcome y'all to this Dominoes 7 show, or whatever you want to call it, the vlog, live location at my crib, okay? Today, y'all wondering what's in this bag? If y'all read the title, of course, okay? Today, this the first time your boy Dominoes 7 tried a new chicken sandwich, okay? That's what it said on the bag. I ain't even read. Love that chicken sandwich from Popeyes. Okay. So anyway, with y'all buffoons out there, well, I'll get rid of the pickles and stuff. Hey, they got cheese and stuff. Well, your boy Dominoes about to try the famous chicken sandwich, classic chicken sandwich, piece of bread. Okay. About to take my first bite of this damn chicken sandwich. So y'all ready? Here we go. So damn good. Let me ask y'all something. Is this what y'all fools been fighting over? It's good, but it's good. I've seen so much stuff on the internet. People jumping over counters and stuff, arguing and cursing at the employees, the workers and shit. Oops, excuse my language. I'm sorry, y'all. Jumping over counters and all that. Yeah, take another bite. This is totally delicious. And y'all gonna fight over something like this? It's just meat and bread. You want a chicken salad that bad? Go to Walmart and buy your chicken patties and make your own chicken sandwich. I know this is so good. My next step, I'm gonna eat a Burger King chicken sandwich. Then after that, I'm gonna get the McDonald's chicken sandwiches. I wonder if churches still sell chicken sandwiches. Well, I'm pretty sure brothers still sell chicken sandwiches. I'm gonna try that while I'm on here. But you know what? I wasn't gonna buy no other chicken sandwich until I try this. Nobody fighting over a Burger King chicken sandwich. Yeah, I think I'm gonna eat every bit of this while I'm filming. I know it tastes so good, but let me tell y'all something. It ain't worth fighting over. Fighting over something like this, I wasn't called for it. Oh, crumbs over here. So let me tell y'all something. Are y'all gonna lose your freedom over something like this? You weren't losing your freedom and all that, and I bet the judge and the bailiffs and the court clerks is gonna laugh to y'all face. And some maniac kill somebody over a chicken sandwich. I think I might upload this video to Facebook as well. I think. As a matter of fact, I will upload this to the Facebook. Okay? This is delicious, honestly. Wish I could upload this to Instagram, but I can't. Delicious. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Before I go do anything else, I want to tell y'all something. Is a chicken sandwich worth your freedom? Is a chicken sandwich worth all the problems? No. It's just meat and bread, y'all. It tastes good, yes it does, but it ain't worth it, okay? Try Burger King chicken sandwich, or McDonald's, or Brothers chicken sandwich, or whatever chicken sandwich you can get your hands on. Golly. It ain't no big deal, y'all. I'm telling y'all, it's not a big deal, okay? It's just a chicken sandwich, y'all. As long as I've been living on this earth, I've never, ever heard of anybody fighting over a damn small-ass sandwich, okay? Never fought over a small sandwich before, you know? Never heard anybody fighting over food at McDonald's, or Pizza Hut chicken sandwich, or a Dominoes pizza chicken sandwich. Well, a Dominoes pizza sandwich. But I doubt Pizza Hut or Dominoes would ever come out with a chicken sandwich. I doubt that. If that happened, y'all better not act stupid. Okay? It's just food, okay? You want something to eat so bad, eat your fruits and vegetables. Okay? That's all. Alright? About to go eat some more of that Popeyes chicken that I bought as well. Okay? Bye.